Welcome back to VictorEric Design+Build. We are here again in this house that we've shown you before. Continue our behind the scenes tour. Last time we were here, we showed you the rough-in. Now it's almost finished. We're here to do the internal deficiency walkthrough before we hand it over to client. So we're gonna give you one last sneak peek before we finish this house and pass it over with a bow for the client. Hey, it's Eric and Jenna. We are just finishing this house and we love it. We want to show you, give you one last behind the scenes sneak peek before we hand it over to our client. So come on in. All right, we are now on the second floor. We want to show you the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom itself. You might be wondering why it's vaulted. It's because of the original character roof pitch that we accommodated. But you do see that we have this cutout so that there's some extra height for the bed. There's night tables on each side, so we allowed for plugs there that will control these plugs, so you don't have to get out of your bed to turn off the light. Now you get to see the ensuite. Yeah. Look at this gorgeous ensuite. This was actually, they didn't have an ensuite up here. They were stuck with one bath for the entire second floor. Now we gave them two, and this one is like double the size. It's gorgeous. It's fitting to be a master ensuite. Why don't you share with us some special pieces here?
Yeah, so the clients, the missus loves to take baths, so a freestanding tub was a must. The mister, he also likes to take showers, so there's a little bench here that we're gonna put in there afterwards. It was important to have a separation of frosted glass between the toilet closet and the shower, and these gold accents, they just really bring the whole experience to a next level luxury ensuite.
Yeah, I love the combo that we did here with the black marble and the white marble with that gold accent. It really ups the level of elegance in this ensuite.
And one of our other special little details is this zero threshold here, so you can see there's no curb, and there was some very strategic tile cutting to incorporate this drain with the tile set in as well, and this gorgeous accent tile to really tie the whole shower and ensuite together. And we're now down here in the basement in the wine room. So as you can see, plenty of storage at the request of the clients. They're gonna fill up all of these lovely wine racks with their wine bottles. Once these racks are filled, it's gonna really look like a beautiful wine showroom. And through this glass, you can actually overlook the bar. Ties it all together like a jewel box. And down here in the basement, it was really important for the clients to have an area to entertain. So this bar area that backs onto the gorgeous wine cellar. Picture the clients entertaining their guests over here. They've got a virtual reality area there at the request of the clients. This is where they're gonna have fun. They're now retired. They're just gonna come down here, relax, have some drinks, dance, hang out in their wine cellar. All right, and a big ask of these clients, and in most custom homes now, is a mudroom. So ample storage here. In this one, we've got the washer, the dryer, farmer sink, nice bench, some more storage. We have some hooks so that they can come here, you know, hang their stuff from when they get out. Follow me out to the beautiful backyard.
Okay, so we're here in the backyard of this beautiful home. We've got a water feature here, which the client loves. The client is a big gardener themselves. I remember when I first came to this house, they had this beautiful garden. Obviously, we had to rip it out because we were pretty much building a new house. We dug around the foundation, so it disturbed a lot of it. But we're able to give them back a really beautiful backyard. Over here, what they're going to do is we are going to be building a bench seat here with these rocks. We've reclaimed some of the flagstones that we used from the old house. So that came from the old house that we've reclaimed. And the boulders, some of the boulders from the water feature is also from the old house. So we're really happy to be able to reuse a lot of the stuff from their old landscape backyard, because there's memories tied to that and we understand that. So yeah, this is going to be another oasis for them in the backyard.
And another feature of this house is the backyard. And the must from the clients was this barbecue area. So the Mr. loves to grill. We found him this beautiful built-in modular barbecue set. And they've got the 2 decks here where they can entertain their guests, which overlooks their beautiful backyard and the must-have water feature. All right, well, thanks for joining us on this behind the scenes of this extensive reno. We hope you enjoyed it.
Yes, and you know, we're gonna actually be having a finished video tour of this house. Make sure you like, follow, subscribe to our channel to see that coming up. And if you are thinking about an extensive renovation or a character restoration, make sure you give us a call. I'm sure that we can help you and give you some advice on how to do that properly. I'm Eric and Jenna with VictorEric Design+Build.